There are two ways to parse the variance so that we can see the relationship between anxiety and exam performance when accounting for studying being in the model. So I would say that the SR squared is the more important one, so that's the one that I want you to really focus on, but just know that there is a partial, a PR squared as well. So a PR squared is this partial, and the SR is the semi-partial. So most of the time, at least in my field, I would think in yours as well, researchers talk about semi-partials. And semi-partial, the conceptual definition of that is we want to understand the total proportion of variance in exam performance. So in that DV, that is explained only by anxiety. So anxiety only, and what proportion of the total variance. So what that is we have B, the space B, over a denominator B plus C plus A plus E. Okay, so that's the first bullet there. That is equal to the semi-partial. So again, the proportion of total variance in the DV that is attributable only to anxiety, and that is B. It's not C, it's not A, because C and A also share variance with studying. So we're not looking at studying. This is a way to control for variables. So we're controlling for studying right now and looking at anxiety. Other times, I think less often, researchers want to understand how much of the variance in performance does anxiety explain when the effect of studying is removed altogether. So we're going to remove the studying component from exam performance completely. And I'll show you that visually on the next slide, but mathematically, the formula again is the B space, so that's the numerator again. So the partial and semi-partial have the same numerator. And so that would be B over the space B plus E. So we're ignoring any variance that is attributable to studying, which is the A and C variance.